So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Suzlon energy share. So previously, when you've done the complete technical analysis, we have seen all the important supports and resistances. So today we have seen a little bit of fall in all the stocks, especially penny stocks, followed by small cap and mid cap. So the correction, whatever we are seeing, is obviously temporary correction, and many stocks, not only Suzlon, many stocks have showed that correction. So we'll try to do the complete technical analysis and we'll see what can be the near-term levels. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide a link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so before we get into the technical charts of Suzlon, we'll try to do the day-to-day wise delivery analysis. So we have seen on 12th January 35.6% deliveries were observed, and the stock has given somewhere around 4.7% positive movement. And if we try to compare that with the previous sessions, we can see the percentage delivery has also increased. And like if we see the previous days, like on 10th Jan and 7th Jan, so the stock has given some very good continuous momentum from the levels that we have discussed. But obviously when all the money, especially from the penny stocks and small caps, is getting removed and diversified into the large caps, so obviously little bit of retracement happens, and that is obviously a temporary correction to trap the retailers. So percentage deliveries is very good and nothing to worry about it. So quickly, let's go to daily and weekly charts. Okay, so now if you try to observe the weekly chart, so clearly we can see this particular week a wick has been initiated from the top. So one more session is left to complete this particular week. So obviously little bit correction may or may not happen, but you can see the wick still would be visible in the weekly chart. So like if we see the previous 3 weeks, we have seen some very good move. Like in between week, we have seen a big doji type of candle, so where wicks were present on both the directions. So rejection was there, like clarity was not there whether to take the stock in upside or downside. But we have discussed a very good pattern on the monthly chart where the stock was forming inverted head and shoulder pattern. A good breakout was observed, so almost the stock had continued that good journey. So now tomorrow's movement again is going to be very important. So unless it breaks that 10 rupees level, we can't confirm any downtrend. So still the stock is in bullish trend itself. So if you want to have a fresh entry, so do watch the 10 rupees level as a very good important support zone, right? So this is on weekly chart. So let's even discuss on daily chart. Okay, so now if you observe the daily chart, so we can see these are the levels that we have discussed in our previous session. So the last two candles, clearly you can see one green candle is a very good candle. It is looking like a hammer candle, but today's candle, you can see a big red candle has been seen from the top itself. Sellers were very active, and most of the penny stocks today also, few have gone into lower circuits and few have continued that trend since yesterday. So the next support level is somewhere around 11 rupees, somewhere around 10.97. So that is going to be a very good support level where you can check out, and if it retraces, well and good. So that may be tested tomorrow itself. If not, in the coming sessions, you can focus that particular support. So if not, as I told, 10 rupees, and then we have 9.34. So these are immediate levels. So as I told, keep only for long term. So if you have a vision for long term, so then only invest in these type of stocks. So if not, don't get into it, because as I told, it requires a lot of patience. So without patience, you cannot handle the penny stocks, because temporary fall would be there, again they will rise. So operator activity would be maximum. So you need to control your emotions, patience, everything is required. So I'm suggesting put small amount and just leave it. So don't disturb it in between, like exiting, again adding. So don't do that. So we'll discuss when to average and all in the Telegram group as well. So focus these levels for near term, and in the upside direction, you can see the 12.5. So that would be a very good level. If it crosses that, we can easily expect the stock would move towards 15 rupees level. Okay, so these are the immediate supports and resistances. So if any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.